Hi guys, good evening each and everyone. So, right now I'm going to demo to you how to configure FortiGate firewall not SNAT policy with failover. So, usually ginagawa ito pagka meron kang um, sa under ng policy of your network pagdating sa FortiGate firewall. Ayun. So this time we will go on right. We'll go on to network interface. So this time ito muna yung ating gagawin kasi so far yung ating one is dynamic, hindi pa ako dito static. So this one will be our um, network side. Outside pala, sorry, outside to the network. So going to the internet side. Yeah. So we have here internal VLAN 1 for internal. Okay. So from that we'll go to policy objects. We'll go on policy object. After that, we'll go on to IPv4 policy. Yeah. So this time we have here internal VLAN 1. Are. So this time we will delete this one. Okay? We will delete this one. We'll delete this one to be able na makapag-create ulit tayo ng bago. Alright? So, yeah. So, from that, we will create new policy for that. Parang ulitin lang natin para mapakita ko sa inyo. Okay? So, at first, we will go on to new, create new. And then, name, we will create this one, admin to internet. So after that incoming interface will be VLAN 1 kasi internal niya kung makikita nyo. Excuse, we have here VLAN 1 to make it sure. Ayan, internal, and then outgoing will be 1.1. Yan. Tama nga. Ayan, alright. So, the source will be internal. Source will be all. Destination will be all. Schedule is always. And then, services is all. Ayan. From that, i-accept natin. Click accept. Kasi pagka-deny, lahat ng data income outgoing will be denied. Okay? I-deny niya lahat yan. The drop. So, accept natin yun. So, from that, make sure this is on. Ayan. Security profile. So, we have antivirus, web filter, DNS. Usually, default ito. Okay? And then, use outgoing interface address. Ayan. So, kung titinaman natin itong antivirus na ito, dapat kasi lisensyado ka, syempre, from that, para to be able na mag-work yung security policies mo, security profiles mo. Alright? So, okay, let's okay that. Click mo lang okay. And then, ayan, admin to internet, always yan. So, the internal will be able to communicate through internet, outside the internet, and coming through this kind of policy. So, let's say, create tayo ngayon sa new network. So, VLAN 1, di ba? So, double-click natin to. Create tayo. Change natin. Tanggalin natin si 6 and 7. Okay. So, available in 6 and 7. gawin natin itong 6. Yan, yung 6 natin. Yung port 6, gawin nating let's say, siya ay running pa, no? Systems, internal 6 system. So, yung system na yon, pag click ka dito, nagtusok ka dito ng cable, papunta doon sa switches mo. So, let's say, ang kanyang IP will be 172.16.10.1/24. HTTPS is in ping. The HTTP server is on. So, from 10.2 to 10.254, including. Alright? So, okay, tama siya. Okay natin. So, from that, na nakagawa tayong interface na yun, kung makikita natin, meron tayo ditong system. Yan, that's it. System. Meron siya. 172.16.10.1. Okay, so we'll go on to policies and objects, IPv4 policy or firewall policy, and then create new. From that, gagawin nating system to internet. Deny. Alright. So, incoming will be system internal 6, port 6. Outgoing will be 1. Source will be all. Kasi yun pa lang na gagamit kong source. Pero pwede nyo mag-create kayo dito ng other source. Okay? So, ito kasi is mababang version. So, pagka taas ang version mo, marami ka dito makikita ang source. Nagawa na mismo ng FortiGate firewall. Okay, destinations will be all. Always. Service is all. Then deny. Ayan. Log violation traffic. Okay. So, since na yung internal 6, port number 6 is deny, ayan, deny siya, we will try on isalpak yung ating computer sa port number 6. We will try. Okay? Tingnan natin kung magkakaroon ng internet. Kasi dito may internet ano? So, dapat papasok siya sa 172.16.10.1. If I'm correct. Kasi, yun yung bago na IP. So, tingnan natin kung may internet. Alright? Tingnan natin kung may internet. Tingnan natin. Kasi syempre, denied eh. So, tingnan natin. Okay. HTTPS. Ano lang yung nakakalimutan? Ayan. Yun, pumasok na. And then, admin 1, 2, 3, 4. Main militer. So we have here dashboard, network, dashboard, main. Okay, tingnan natin. Current usage 21, memory sessions flat, tingnan natin. Pero let's see, let's try on internet. Tingnan natin kung denied. Alright, so I think it is denied siya. Denied. Ano bang binigay na IP? Let's say from FortiGate Fortinet firewall. So let's check kung ano ang binigay na IP addresses. Alright, so Ethernet details, and that's it. Si FortiGate firewall, binigyan itong computer na to ng 172.16.10.2. So it means tumatakbo yung kanyang DHCP server. Alright, so as of now, we have no internet. Kung tama ako kasi nag-denied tayo. From the policy itself, nag-configure tayo dito ng denied. That's it. 92 KB. While this one is mataas siya. Okay? Okay. Alright. So, deny ito. So, let's try kung tama nga na gawin natin siyang access or i-access natin. Accept. Not. Okay. And then, boom. Let's try. So, let's try natin dito. Solid daw yung kanya. UTM kasi ito. So, let's try na. Baguhin din. UTM. Same. Okay. Alright. So, this is all. Accept. Enabled. Enabled. So, okay. That's it. Tingnan natin kung papasok ang internet natin. Yun. Boom. Panis. So, talagang pumasok nga yung ating internet. Ayan. So, one of the main reason kung bakit ito ginagawa is, let's say, from that port number 6, meron tayong mga kasama o colleague na hindi na makailangan ng internet. Ang kailangan lang natin is ma-monitor yung kanyang ginagawa. Second is, makapag-share ng resources inside that premise. So usually, ginagawa ng mga network engineer is to block those ports to be able na hindi sila maka-access sa internet. And makapag-share lang sila ng resources internally inside that premise. So ito yung pag-create ng policy SNAT and NAT inside the Fortinet FortiGate firewall. So, ayun lang guys. So, next session natin is another configuration on Fortinet FortiGate firewall. Thank you.